Hi friends, and welcome to one of our last workbook page days of lesson 20. So today we're going to be doing pages 429 and 430 with our video. And then from there, we are going to have you work on your blue iReady lesson, okay? So we're going to jump on in and we're going to get started. The last 2 days we've been talking about adding and subtracting fractions. Today we're going to be talking about decomposing fractions. And decomposing is just a fancy word for undoing or breaking a part, okay? So don't stress, it sounds way scarier than it is, I promise. So let's read our problem on page 429 and get started. So Dan has 5/6 of his reading left to complete for the week. He plans to complete his reading on 2 or more days of the week from Monday to Friday. What are 2 different ways he could plan to complete his reading? Use a fraction to describe the reading he does each day, okay? So for this, since it's like the days of the week, I think it's best to make a calendar or a table, right? So we're gonna make our chart. And then we're gonna divide it up into Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday. Whew, Misty, you messed that up, Polly. So then we're also going to do the 2 weeks, okay? So this is what our table looks like. So we have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday is just super long because we love Fridays, right? Okay, so he has 5/6 of his reading left to complete. So that means he's only done 1 out of 6, right? Because 6 minus 5 is 1. So he's only read 1/6 of his work. So he plans to complete his reading on 2 or more days of the week from Monday to Friday. So if he continues and just keeps doing 1/6, we're going to say he does 1/6 Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, and then Friday. So that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 out of 6, right? That's one way. Another way would be to do maybe 1/6 on Monday and then 2/6 on Tuesday and Wednesday, right? So we have 2, 4, 5, and the 1/6 he already did. So that means Thursday and Friday, he wouldn't have to do anything. Okay? Again, these could vary. You could also, just for fun, add another one, right? And he could do 3/6 here, right? So up to 4, and then do 2/6 here, and then be 0, 0, 0. So it's just a matter of how you want to divide up his work, okay? So for these types of problems, there really is no right or wrong answer, as long as in the end you get that he read 6 out of 6 parts of his assignment. So realistically, you only need to do 5 because he already read 1. But as long as you have the 6 out of 6 at the end, then he completed his reading assignment. Okay, so you're just helping out Dan figure out what he needs to do to finish this assignment in a week, okay? And it's 2 or more days, so that's, you couldn't do anything less than the bottom one down here, okay? Because he has to do it for at least 2 or more days. He can't just do it all in one day. So I know this one was a little tricky, so let's just talk through our models, and then you'll be good to move on to your iReady lesson, okay? So modeling, you can use models to show how to decompose a fraction in different ways. So obviously the bar model, and you can also do it like this. So this way it gets a little trickier because it just looks like a lot of numbers. Personally, I like the picture way better, or the table way that we just did on the front. But you can also use this. So 5/6, you're just breaking it apart into 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1, and then keeping the denominator the same. You could also do it this way, as long as all your numerators add up to 6, right? So you could do any combo of numerators as long as in the end your numerators add up to 6. Okay? So any of them work. Now, if you have any questions on this type of problem, please just join the Google Meet. I'll be happy to talk you through it. Other than that, it's time to work on your blue iReady, and then we'll complete our review tomorrow. Happy fractions!